when I learned to English in this morning, so how about thinking that variable you can is to change. So fix this our salary or some workman. Variable is a freelancer. Just kidding. Just as you keep a book or paperwork in a bookcase or paper box. Yeah. The data processed by the computer must also be stored in the specific box. When storing, it's very important to determine the size of the box. Yeah. Since you need to determine if the data will fit inside the box. Yeah. There are some for example, is a library. Many different size books. Yeah. At this time, when the size is predetermined, the ranks is called fixed ranks, or the size is not fixed, is called the variable ranks. Okay. For example, we can see this how can I say? Yeah, bookshelf. Yeah, we can see in the go to library and bookstore. For example, this is a fixed ranks. It's so separate some type of what kind of some book, novel, comics, and document, but many empty. Mr. Long already told us waste ranks, waste location. But some guys can easy to find. Oh, I wanted to novel. I wanted to document. Yeah. Already arranged data, arranged book. Otherwise, variable ranks needs only one side can store full books, novel, comics, and documents, but are hard to find. So we can understand one book is one data. So some hard to rearrange some data. Yeah. Because Mr. 3 so wanted to reading this comic book, and then after that, also you can store more on this side. Yeah. But this fixed length only comics already defined, and this location. And after someone finish read the book and can stop again. Yeah. That's it. You can collect additional items and put them in place. Otherwise, the novel is divided into two phrases. Yeah. Because some need some additional data. So this valuable ranks some have to attach another. Yeah. So since the size of the frame is fixed, the desired one can be easily accessed. And because you can each find. Yeah. On the other hand, it is difficult to efficiently use this space due to the space remaining, because you have to waste space. Invariable ranks allows data to be filled in, which can save the size of the data at the time of storage. Also, since the size is the same, if the same area continues to be used, the reutilization rate will be lowered, and data is like to be concentrated on only one side. just two lines, we can understand. Yeah. Value length is useful space, yeah, but performance side is unstable because data stored location many times can different. So have to need to some performance more than fixed length. Fixed length is waste space, but performance side is stable. Yeah. So already okay. I will explain. For example, one variable for so when coding we can define a equal apple. It's one variable. So and we can use some another variable type, array variable. Just for example, not correct syntax. Banana. What do you want to do? Okay. Strawberry. Okay. Strawberry. So A equal apple. Some we can easy fix this length. But some A equal this. For example, array variable is can attach variable length. We can attach more than one, two. Yes. I don't know better on this, but anyway, any type can attach. So you can use this one. So when I call this A, so when coding, just we can use print A. It return apple. Very simple. But some this type print, so return to full sentence, and can add more detail. Also can remove something. Understand? Okay. We can find more detail after that. Maybe I have a chance to explain what is array.
Array.
Yeah. So already Mr. Long already enough for this 10 because have to use the when coding. Okay, I will explain most of our file system. Yeah. So what kind of forms are stored on the computer? So let's look at the real example. There are some give to Mr. Duan too, because I don't use this Windows environment. So look at the system. Your laptop or PC have a file or many kind of thing. Yeah. On the file system. In Windows case, normally you generate file system. This file system save each file using fixed length. So before that, I already explained that when we use file system, same. For example, totally 100 kilobyte. So when make this file system format, we can define this block size.